minds, nothing left to find. I'm taking my time, just to make every line properly fit into, so it starts to unwind and sit there within. The lips, I hear a flip from a bit nearby. Then I see a bright light, but I can't seem to vision who it is, 'cause it left me so blind in the mist. I caught a little whiff and seen a sign. Now I'm for sure that I know my purpose is to exterminate. No more negativity attacking me. This house is clear, I have exercised the demon. So don't you keep thinking that you're mortal won't combat with me until eternity. You're gonna be, yeah, you'll see the champion like Freddie Mercury. I really feel the need to be on my own fucking planet lately, and goddamn it, I just can't stand it. And I mean, I'm counting these hours down to tick, tick, tick. Don't make me have to grab the flick from the pick, like you up when I gotta click, 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 bitch. Put you in the ground, tombstone, really rip. I ain't even fucking around, I ain't even on the shit, and then telling me, hey, don't you work for NASA, kid? No, goddamn it, better get back before I have to smack a bitch. Does Wayne Brady really have to choke a hoe? Oh no, better get him when I leave him so damn cold. Fucking froze like Sub-Zero. Was on the post, blowing on some dro. Oh no, blowing it up to be when I go into another galaxy. Cloud 9,993, and I'm telling them, just don't be mad at me, 'cause I can't even see we are losing our minds. Nothing left to find, and then I'm feeling this hatred coming towards me. I'm winding my gears, they're really grinding my gears, and I'm about to start fucking up this engine, run them all over, leave them flat as a snap, and they can't handle this massive amount of damage. I'm gonna be dismantling, get it lit like candlesticks, bitch. You don't want none of this when I'm running up from the 6 to the 4 to the 5 to the 5th. It don't matter what you claim, bitch, I'm ready just to bang, get 'em with the aim, gotta rain, motherfucker.